So this is 1st January 2022 and I am starting this channel called Rooftop Botanist, but I have no pre-existing knowledge about rooftop gardening. I'm starting this, and this top I have planted tomato seed in between. I think it will grow for some time. Let's see. I'll keep you updated. So this is 8th January 2022 and this is the second update that I am giving you. This is that same pot and I have planted that tomato seed and it is grown up to this point. It is like 1 2 3 4 leaf and there is a small leaf there. So this is the plant. I'll keep you updated. I think it will be taking 2 to 3 months to fruit, and up to that point it will be growing like 6 to 7 feet tall, and I will need a lot of space for that. I don't know what we'll do. Let's see. And if you are new to this channel, please subscribe to support me and support this channel, and let's see what it can do. Okay.